We're going to show how to replace the seals in a Plitco split sleeve. We'll show you the tools required to do it and the procedures necessary to be able to accomplish the task. You simply need, for tools, we use a nail puller type tool. A flat bladed screwdriver works fine. You need a very sharp knife, that's critical, and some type of a hammer to be able to knock the girder rings back down. I use a wood block so I can cut the seals on a wood block so I don't damage the table, or if I'm on steel, I don't damage the knife. Okay, we are going to show how to pry the girder ring up here. You take a flat-bladed screwdriver, in this case, a nail puller, slip it in between and pry up and twist at the same time. That bends the fingers of the girder rings back. To get the side seals up, drive the screwdriver underneath the girder ring, pry up. Remove the seals. On long fittings, it may help to pull the seal out from the end. Once you have the seals removed, bend the girder rings back just a little bit farther to make it easier to put the seals in. The next thing that should be done is inspect very carefully the edges of all the girder rings and all of the seal grooves to make sure that there aren't any very sharp edges or burrs which could cut the new seal. It will be helpful to open the inside girder ring up a small amount to facilitate installing the new seal. Just pry it back just a little bit. I'll lay an old piece of seal here as a guide. When you place the new seal in the groove, you want the new seal to be flush to a 1/16 or about 2 millimeters above the surface of this side seal. And tap down the first few teeth to hold it in place. Tap the seal carefully into the groove. Again, tap down a few teeth. So this is where it's very important to have a very sharp knife. You want to get a good straight cut just above the side seal. So now that we have the circumferential seals in place, we'll knock down all the teeth of the girder. Just so it's seated snugly on the seal. Now when I put the new side seals in, I slide them until they're snug against the seal. I lay my knife very carefully about 1/8 of an inch or about 4 millimeters past the inside of the seal. You want the side seal to be just a little bit longer. Simple as that. Once you have one cut as a pattern, you can follow and cut your other ones accordingly, same size. And then slide the seals in between. Ideally here, again, you want the end of this seal to be flush to a 1/16 higher than the side seal.